Hi bakers, welcome back to Rockin' Cakes and Bakes. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy 5-ingredient American buttercream. So this recipe that I'm going to show you today is a crusting buttercream. So what that means is once you put the icing onto your cake, that exterior layer of frosting is going to get a nice crust to it, which is going to be hard to the touch. So that inner layer of icing is going to stay nice and soft, but the exterior is going to get crusted. That's really helpful, like if you're trying to paint on a cake and you need a hard surface, a crusting buttercream will be perfect for you. There's multiple different kinds of buttercream out there that you can make. American is one of, or if not the most simple buttercream that you can do. It's what I started out with. It's what I love to make. All of my customers love it. It is on the sweeter side, so if you don't like a sweet icing, American buttercream might not be the icing for you. But if you're looking for something simple to do, this one is perfect. So before we get started, if you can, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel to receive future notifications on new content. And with that, let's go ahead and get into it. To get started, we'll need our 5 ingredients, which is 1,500 grams of powdered sugar, 6 sticks of butter, 1½ tablespoons of pure vanilla extract, a teaspoon of salt, and 45 grams of water. Once we have our ingredients, we're going to add our 6 sticks of butter to our stand mixer and turn that up to a medium-high speed so that all the butter is nice and creamy. You might have to scrape the sides of your bowl and your paddle attachment to get the big chunks off and fully cream the butter. We're then going to slowly add our powdered sugar 1 cup at a time and mix that into the butter on a low setting. Once a cup of powdered sugar is incorporated into the butter, we're then going to take a splash of water and add that into the mixture and mix until it's incorporated. We're then going to continue those 2 steps of adding water and powdered sugar to our buttercream mixture until the water and powdered sugar are gone. Once we've mixed our powdered sugar and water, we're then going to scrape the sides of the bowl and mix again on low for another few seconds so that everything is fully incorporated. After you've added your water and your powdered sugar, you might find that your buttercream is too hard or too soft. If it's too hard, just add a little bit more water until it's softer, or if it's too soft, add a little bit more powdered sugar. Once it's incorporated, we're then going to add our teaspoon of salt and 1½ tablespoons of pure vanilla extract. If you're adding any food coloring to your buttercream, this is also the time to do it. As you see here, I'm adding some white food gel coloring to my buttercream to brighten it up a little bit. I'll then turn my mixer back on to low setting and mix until everything is incorporated, and you might need to scrape the sides of your bowl again and mix again. Alright, well I hope you found that video interesting and that you can make this easy American buttercream on your own. As a reminder, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I have put the recipe down in the description below. So with that, thank you and happy baking!